Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss about how to add formula field in Salesforce report. So let's proceed and understanding formula field in Salesforce. In Salesforce, the formula field is a custom field that we can create by specifying the formula using the formula syntax. In Salesforce, formula field is a custom field that automatically calculates the value based on the other field's expression or formulas. These fields are highly flexible and can be used to display dynamic content without manual data entry. So let's proceed and learn to create a formula in Salesforce report. So for this, we firstly move to our Salesforce account. So here I open my Salesforce account and by default it is open in the Lightning edition. And here we are discussing the step of creating a formula in Salesforce. So before we proceed to learn, we first discuss what is report in Salesforce. In Salesforce, a report is a customizable list or a summary of the data stored in the Salesforce. Reports allows the user to extract and analyze specific information from the database and providing insights into business performance, trends, and the other key matrices. So let's discuss the steps of creating a formula in Salesforce report. So for this, we firstly click on the gear icon and then click on the setup option and then select the app launcher. These 9 dots represent the app launcher. Click on this app launcher and then search for the reports in the search box. So here we enter the reports in the search box and click on the reports option. Now it will redirect us to the reports page and here now choose the desired report and here we want to create the new report. So I click on the new report button. Now choose the desired report category that you want to create and on the left side we have a category for the reports and here I select the opportunities. Click on the opportunities and now you have to select the desired report type and here I select the opportunities again. When I click on this, the details section is open and here we select the starts report button. Now you have to make sure to save the report by clicking on the save button. Otherwise we will get an error with a name like report name cannot be null and not able to add the field formula. So here I select the save button and the dialog boxes pop up save report and I enter the report name now. So as I enter the report new name opportunity expense report and here I fill the report name and our report unique name is by default filled and then we scroll down and here we see the report description and folder. If you want to enter the description then you can enter it, otherwise leave it as it is because it is an optional field and you can also select the folder if you want and then click on the save button. After saving the report opportunity expense was saved. Now you can add the filter. So click on the filters option. Now select the close date and here the click on the close date option. Here we choose this close date as it is. Don't choose any other thing in the date field and then click on the range drop down arrow and here I select the all time and then click on the apply button. It takes some time and now click on the refresh and you can see that it show all the reports of an opportunity. If you cannot still getting the reports of all the opportunity, you can refresh your page again. Now click on the outline and now select the groups of the row to group the opportunity data. Suppose here I am selecting the stage and we want to group it. Here is the stage field. I want to group it now on the basis of the stage of the different opportunity. But this time I click on the outline and from here you have to see there is a column of group rows. Select this And now here you can select the group of opportunity data. Now here I select the type. From here I select the type, and I want to group the data based on the different types of the opportunity. From here you can see it create a report on the basis of the type. When we refresh it, it show me the report on the basis of the type. Now you can see changes. If not change anything, then you can refresh your page again. But this time it show me the change. Now click on the drop down arrow that is next to the field. Here is the fields, and click on this drop down arrow, and our fields are open. Now we want to create a formula, so click on the create formula option, and it show you the fields. And now from here you can enter the name of the field in the column name. Suppose here I enter opportunity expense. So enter the opportunity expense in the column name, and if you want to enter the description, formula, output type, decimal, then you can enter it. Otherwise leave it as it is because it is the optional fields. Now search for the field in the search box that you want to create for the formula. So scroll down, and here is our formula section, and you can search the for the revenue. So here I scroll up, and here I want to search revenue, and scroll down. Here you can see there is an annual revenue. Click on this, and when we scroll down there is a button present, insert it, and our annual revenue is shown in the formula field. Then I want to choose the operator, and I want to multiply it. So here I choose the multiply operator, and then again I want to select the field. So here I search for the expected revenue. Click on this, and then click on the insert button, and after applying the whole formula I simply click on the apply button. Now you can see the formula is applied, and then refresh it. Click on the refresh button. Now you can see the formula is applied, and now you can save this again by simply clicking on the save button. Once the formula applied, refresh the page again, and you will show the formula field that we define in the report. So here you can see where is our created report, where is our created field. Here I created the opportunity expense, and here we create a field with the name opportunity expense, and it show the value. Here is the subtotal value for this field. So with this we have learned how to create formula field in Salesforce report. So if this video was helpful, click on the like button, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching. Have a great day.